Hello everybody, welcome. Second video today. So now I'm going to get from Aldi and Tesco's again where I went earlier. Tesco steak pie, the Aldi steak pie. That was £1.70 and that was £1.19 from Aldi, Tesco's. Now, I messed up. My own stupid fault, I didn't have my glasses on. Tesco's one I bought is short crust and Aldi's one is puff pastry. Well, I ain't bothered, I'm just going to review them anyway. I wanted to get two the same, but I didn't have my glasses on and I just picked it up by mistake. But anyway, let's have a look what they look like. Let's open them up and have a look. Right, so I'm going to open the steak one first. I'm going to short crust, crumbly pastry filled with steak and rich gravy, rich beef gravy. I mean, it looks nice. As I say, I wanted a puff, but a puff pastry. I messed up. Let's have a look at it anyway. There it is. Well, it's a pie in it. There it is, short crust. I mean, I like short crust and puff pastry, so. But I wonder what the filling tastes like, you see. And there's Aldi's puff pastry. I mean, I could have done a review separate on them, but no. I'll do it together because I messed up. There's the Aldi one. Bit battered by the looks of things. Right, so let's have a look how you cook them. Tesco. There's instructions. 280 degrees, 180 fan, yes. 25 minutes for the Tesco. Nice and simple. Aldi. 30 minutes. Leave the pie in the foil tray, obviously. So I'll get them in, and then we'll give them a taste test when they're done. As I say, there was what? So what's that, about 50p difference, I think it was. So we'll just see. Right, they're done. And to be fair, they both look quite nice. So there's the short crust one from from Tesco's. And there's the Aldi one. So I think there's about 50p difference, I think it's, I said. £1.19 and £1.70 was it, or something, I can't remember now. But yeah, they look quite, I've got a bee in the house now. So let's give them a cut and then we'll give them a taste test. I know they're different crusts, because that was my own fault, I didn't have my glasses on to read. But I'll cut them open anyway and we'll have a look. See what the filling's like and that. Scalding not, they've just come out, you see. Clean my knife for the next one. So there you go. I mean, they both got quite a lot of filling in it, to be fair. Gotta watch how I tip it, because what I have noticed though, you've got lumps of steak in this one. That's more like a mince. You see that? It's more like a mince. That one's, you see the lumps of steak coming out here, look. Let's give it a taste test and we'll see. Just see what the difference is. Right then, let's give them a taste test. Let's do the Aldi one first. So I'm not really going to be interested in the pastry because I picked the wrong one up. It's all in the taste in the middle. I'm going to get a bite. As I said, that's more like minced meat. That is. That's more like minced meat, yeah, it says there. Delicious beef steak, it might be, but it's minced. Like a minced beef and onion without the onion, that's what it's like. Now let's try the Tesco one. Try and get some of that chunky bit in there. You got the chunkiness of the steak, but I'll tell you what, it's very bland. That's very, very bland. Very bland. Let's try just the meat on this one. That's a lot juicier and sweeter. Let's try the meat on this one. No. That, the Tesco one, there's no taste. There's no taste to it. It's literally bland. But then this one, say steak, it ain't steak. That's mincemeat. So I'm going to give a thumbs down to both of them. The Aldi one, because it's not steak, it's mincemeat without the onion. Instead of minced beef and onion, it's just mince. That's not steak. There's no lumps in it. There's no lumps. I mean, if you have a look, if I can show you. Can't see. There's no lumps. It's just mincemeat. So that's not steak. And the Tesco one, even though there's lumps in it, there's nothing at all. It's literally bland. I'm very disappointed with both of them. Now that one I bought from Aldi before the other week, that big massive one, that was gorgeous. But say there's the, look, I get it all over the floor. It's just mince. It's mint. It's literally mince. I'm going to say, hold on. Let's move that onto there. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get all the meat out and show you. There it is, look, it's mince. It's literally mince. That's not steak. That's very disappointed. Now let's do the Tesco one, just open it all up and have a look. Get that off there. I mean, this hasn't got much in it, but it's got a little bit. You can see the lumps. See the lumps on that one, and look at that one. But that one's really tasty. The Aldi one's really tasty, but it's mince, it's not steak. So I'm saying no. None of them. That because Tesco's got no seasoning whatsoever, it's absolutely bland. And Aldi is because it's not steak. That's wrong. That's absolutely wrong. It's wrong. Unless I've picked one that's just got mince in it, but I doubt it. I suppose they're all the same. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that Aldi one at all. Not for not being steak. Not like if you have a pucker. Anyway, there you go. I wouldn't buy either. I wouldn't buy either. I'd find someone else. As I say, I am the old food guy. Nice little review there. But I wouldn't buy either of them. Not if you're having it as steak. Say Tesco with no season whatsoever. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Leave us a comment. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Glasses keep falling down. So at this point I'll try a bit more, but I can't eat that. That's not very good for me. Bye bye.